China Laboao is a professional company for laboratory equipment manufacturer and export such as drying oven, laboratory incubator, muffle furnace, and incubator shaker. Our factory equipped with automated production equipment, laser cutting, robotic welding, and other technologies make our product quality more guaranteed. Our company has a special constant temperature and humidity test room, and a 48-hour simulation test will be performed on the machine before delivery. Laboao Company has exported to many countries, has agent in some countries. If you have any inquiry, please be free to contact us. Welcome to Laboao.